Want that 2-in-1 lip tint plus lip balm at an affordable price? Curious about the new Universal Lip Saver from Careline? Well, in this video, you're gonna learn all about the new Careline Skin Lip Balm that is actually called Lip Bomb. So make sure to keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm gonna share my thoughts and review the new latest lip balm released by Careline here in the Philippines. Ito ang bagong launched product ng Careline Skin. And for the record, I'd like to clear it out that yes, Careline did send me this product for me to create an Instagram promotional post. But rest assured that what I share here in this review video is honest and my personal experience using this particular product. But before anything else, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the thumbs up button, and leave a comment, suggestion, or question about these products down below. Without further ado, and with that out of the way, let's get right into it. So guys, I hope you watch this video hanggang sa dulo. Kung gusto nyo malaman kung magkano ang product na to, what's the price, where to purchase it on, physical store or online, as well as a sample application that I did. So yeah, I'll make sure to mention all the needed details as well as put them in the description box below. So first of all, thanks a lot Careline for giving me a first dibs on your new lip balm. So guys, I'll first apply the Careline Skin Lip Balm on my lips so that you guys can see what it looks like throughout this video. So these are my pale lips, right? You just need to squeeze the bottle, or the tube rather, if you want the product to come out. Depends on your preference if you want the color na mas matingkad or mas pale or mild lang. Depende na sa inyo yun. So yan, kita nyo na, nag-glossy na yung lips natin. Kasi hindi na siya ganun ka-pale tulad nung kanina. Before I applied this, ang putla, ang pale ng lips ko, diba? Ngayon, nagkaroon na siya ng kulay. So meron talaga siyang crimson hue or tint besides being a lip balm. So guys, the color itself is like this, as you can see. It has quite a reddish, pinkish, or fuchsia shade. The main three ingredients include castor oil that helps chapped lips, also beeswax that protects from UV rays or the sun, and of course, lanolin that smoothens and prevents dry lips while moisturizing it. So the lip balm claims to give you healthy, plump, and nourished, youthful-looking lips. So guys, this is my lips after applying Careline Skin Lip Balm. Yung epekto niya sa lips ko was kind pareho siya ng kulay sa damit ko, right? Now, nagkaroon siya ng parang reddish, pinkish, marvelous, like the one I'm wearing right now, which is this color. So, ayan siya. Bukod sa nagdala siya ng crimson hue or gentle pink shade sa lips ko, kita niyo naman it's very shiny, especially pag natapat sa ilaw or sa bintana. I like it really nice. Hindi siya ganun ka-red, hindi siya ganun ka-putla. It's just right. Plus, the fact that it really makes my lips glossy. Ko talaga yung mga gantong pa-effect kasi napansin ko if I only apply lip tint on my lips, nagmumukhang dry talaga siya. Before, I needed to put lip tint and then after, I would put my gloss or lip balm. But this is the 3-in-1. Very convenient siya. Hindi mo na kailangan doble-doblehin pa yung lip tint plus lip balm mo. Para sa akin, I could say na it's very travel-friendly rin kasi ang liit lang niya. Kasyang-kasya lang siya sa bag mo, whether malaki man or maliit yung bag na dala mo. It's perfect if you're in a hurry. Kunwari may bigla ang gala tapos you don't have enough time to prepare for yourself. Kailangan mo lang maging presentable when you meet up with your friends or may biglaang meeting, online class, school, ganon. Pwede mo na nga siyang dalhin at dun ka na mag-makeup mismo when you get there at the venue wherever you're going to. I think kaya siguro lip balm at hindi lang lip balm yung pangalan niya kasi besides being a lip balm, meron siyang pasabog na kulay para sa lips mo. Kumbaga lip balm. But at the same time, I like that hindi naman ganun katapang and it's very mild lang na color. So it's perfect for teenagers or actually any age. Basta ang peg na gusto mong makeup look is young, youthful, fresh, ganun. When it comes naman sa amoy guys, ang amoy niya is like a cherry balm candy para sa akin in my senses. Pero, when I applied it, wala akong nalalasahan masyado. I don't taste anything rather. Cherry bomb candy nga, ganun. Mabango siya. In short, mabango siya. Pero walang lasa para sa akin. Very convenient kasi, syempre, ayaw naman natin na malalasahan natin yung lip balm, lipstick, or lip tint, kung ano mang ilalagay natin. Ayaw nating malasahan yun. Na kahit namoy mo siya, may parang candy-like, wala siyang lasa. Ewan ko kung kailangan ko bang tikman pa. Pero at this point, kung normal mo lang i-apply, ganyan, pagka lip balm niya, yung moisture niya, Hindi siya makapal sa lips. Hindi, like yung pakiramdam kasi ng ibang lip balm, diba? Parang malalasahan mo na parang may pagka-petroleum jelly. Ganun. Alam mo na mayroong naka-apply na lip balm. Pero with this, magaan siya. It's very lightweight. Even though na lip balm na siya, tint na siya, pwede mo pa nga siya atang gawing lip mask para sa gabi. Ganun. 3-in-1, 4-in-1 siya. Let's mention some cons about this lip balm or about this item. Siguro for me, yung color ng tube niya. It's white, diba? I think medyo dumihin siya. Depende on the person kung maingat ka sa makeup products mo. Okay lang siguro, pero for me kasi minsan nagmamadali, bigla ko na lang ilalagay sa bag, which is baka madumihan. So hindi rin natin masasabi. Depende na lang sa inyo if maingat talaga kayo kung may separate pa kayong makeup bag, ganun. Pero overall, okay naman siya. Also, pag malamig ata yung temperature ng room, magso-solidify ata yung product. I-suggest baka mas okay na i-keep nyo ito or i-store sa isang average temperature na room para na rin assure. Kasi pag solidified siya, baka hindi mo siya magamit agad, diba? So, keep it na lang in a average temperature room. 15 grams ito. Overall, yung packaging niya, you know this tube? Para sa akin, sturdy siya. Hindi siya biglang mabubutas or I doubt na masisira siya or anything. So, that's great. So, guys, to sum it up, I don't see any reason for me not to recommend this. I hope you guys try out this new Careline Skin Lip Bomb, which is made of castor oil, beeswax, and lanolin that really moisturized and nourished my lips. So, hindi pa rin makapal yung feeling, even though medyo marami akong in-apply so that you could see the color. And bet ko talaga nagkakulay pa sila ng effect sa aking damit. So, this is really a youthful product that will help you do your makeup in an easy and hassle-free way. I believe you can get this at Shopee or Lazada. I will put the links in the description box down below. For sure, magiging available na rin to sa mga leading outlets like Watsons and so on. Careline Skin New Lip Balm cost only 165 pesos. Sa 165, meron ka ng lip balm, lip tint, pang gawing lip mask. Sulit na rin siya. Yun guys, don't forget to check out the links down below kung interested man kayo or visit Careline's official Instagram or social media accounts to check out or learn more. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and sana na-enlighten kayo about the Careline Skin Lip Balm. I hope I helped you decide if you should purchase or not. Please hit the thumbs up button if you find this video enjoyable or helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to be updated on more reviews, more vlogs in the future. If you have a question or may itanong man kayo about the product or skincare, just comment down below. I will try my best to reply if I have the time and if I can. Thank you guys for watching again, and I'll see you in my next review.